Title: The Year the World Broke and How I Survived It. When money becomes tight, wisdom becomes wealth. In 2020, it was a pandemic. In 2022, it was inflation. In 2024, it was mass layoffs. Now, in 2025, it's everything. I was sitting in a tiny cafe in Buenos Aires when I saw the news. My tech company had folded. No warning. Just due to global financial conditions, we regret to inform you. In that one moment, I lost my job, my apartment, and the illusion that life was stable. But I didn't just survive, I adapted. And here's how you can too. Step 1. Accept it. Fast. Denial is expensive. I spent the first week complaining, comparing, scrolling LinkedIn in denial. Globally, economic downturns hit like dominoes. Job losses in the US ripple into outsourcing cuts in India. A war in Europe spikes fuel costs in Kenya. A shipping backlog in China raises food prices in Brazil. Lesson: the sooner you stop waiting for things to go back to normal, the sooner you can build a new normal. Step 2. Audit your life like a business. The first thing I did was list every expense. Netflix? Gone. Daily lattes? Switch to homebrew. Gym membership? Replaced with YouTube workouts. Ask yourself, what are your essentials? What are luxuries disguised as necessities? Globally, people began to cut lifestyle fluff. In Europe, more people swapped car rides for bikes. In Nigeria, community bulk buying reduced individual food costs. In the US, the Buy Nothing Facebook groups surged. Survival starts with subtraction. Step 3. Monetize anything, and I mean anything. I started offering resume reviews online. A friend in Bangkok sold handmade soaps. Another guy in South Africa taught math on WhatsApp. What can you do? Write? Offer blog articles or CV writing. Good at a language? Teach it. Can bake? Sew? Edit videos? Translate? Fix tech? That's a business. In an economic crisis, your skills are currency. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, TikTok, or even your WhatsApp status can become your storefront. Step 4. Shift. Don't sink. When the economy shifts, shift with it. If your job's gone, learn in-demand skills, digital marketing, data entry, AI tools, cybersecurity, even bookkeeping. Free platforms: Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, YouTube, ALX, Khan Academy. Globally, people in the Philippines are learning remote skills to work for overseas clients. In Ghana, more are farming small plots and selling locally. In the US, people are turning vans into mobile homes to lower housing costs. Adaptability beats experience in a crisis. Step 5. Avoid these mistakes. They're universal. Panic borrowing. High-interest loans are financial quicksand. Investing in get-rich-quick schemes. If someone promises to double your money in 24 hours, they'll disappear with it in 2. Social comparison. Some people are faking comfort with credit cards. Don't envy an illusion. Waiting for rescue. Governments, NGOs, employers. Slow. You? Fast. Step 6. Talk about it. Shame is a silent killer. During the 2008 crash, many suffered in silence. But this time, we talk. Share. Connect. Community food banks in London fed hundreds. WhatsApp village co-ops in Uganda helped families survive. Reddit forums taught millions how to negotiate rent, save on groceries, and start side hustles. Talk about your struggle, not to complain, but to connect. Step 7. Find your new direction. Survival is step 1. Reinvention is step 2. Ask yourself, what did I learn from losing everything? What do I never want to return to? What life do I want to rebuild now? I never went back to the corporate world. Now I freelance. Live modestly. Invest wisely. Travel lightly. And I've never felt more in control. The moral of the story. Economic crisis doesn't just break systems. It breaks illusions and builds resilience. It's not about bouncing back to the same life. It's about bouncing forward into something stronger. Summary: how to survive a global economic crisis. Accept fast, don't dwell. Cut expenses ruthlessly. Monetize your skills. Learn, shift, evolve. Avoid desperation moves. Talk, share, connect. Build forward, not backward. If this story helped you, subscribe for more real-world survival guides, follow for global insights, practical tips, and unfiltered truth. Got a survival hack or story? share it. Let's help each other through. Hard times don't last, but smart people adapt. Be one of them.